Robotics is a next-generation fire support and intelligence solution for dismounted forces designed to shorten the sensor-to-shooter cycle while engaging fire effectively and accurately. The Robotics solution offers the dismounted team an independent intelligence collection and analysis capability for immediate and accurate target engagement while minimizing collateral damage. By integrating several technologies into one comprehensive solution, Robotics exploits Elbit systems ISTAR assets more efficiently than ever before, enabling precise and rapid execution of complex ISTAR missions. Robotics is designed for dismounted operational users, including Forward Observer SFO, Forward Air Controllers FAC, Joint Terminal Attack Controllers JTAC, Reconnaissance, Field Intelligence, and Special Forces. The Robotics solution provides crucial operational benefits, improved situational awareness, integrated video with GIS database processing provides enhanced battlefield management by matching mission planning elements with video input. Highly efficient fire engagement. Users have the flexibility of choosing the most optimal engagement platform available. Improved SWAP. A dismounted solution designed to support prolonged missions with optimal size, weight, and power. MWARI addresses a key global security requirement from air forces around the world by performing missions that previously required several different aircraft. It integrates designs from helicopters, surveillance platforms, and reconnaissance aircraft with the ability to carry multiple systems, such as surveillance radar and electronic systems. MWARI offers advanced onboard sensors, weapons, and real-time data analysis that can undertake a wide range of missions in austere and remote environments with very little logistical support. The aircraft is further purpose-built to be infinitely reconfigurable, allowing the application of MWARI in multiple roles and missions in response to diverse customer requirements around the world. Unlike other platforms, MWARI's distinct pusher-prop configuration and stadium seating affords its pilots unparalleled visibility. Additionally, 19 sensor mounting points around the aircraft are integrated into the MWARI mission system, ensuring 360 of electronic coverage and superior situational awareness throughout the flight envelope, no matter the theater. Whether day or night, unique to the MWARI is its interchangeable mission systems BAIMSP, located in the belly of the aircraft, providing near-endless sensor and payload options which can be integrated and be swapped out in less than 2 hours to take advantage of its innovative plug-and-play mission system. The modular pod allows this single platform to perform a multitude of roles without any aerodynamic or ordnance penalties. The Smash Hopper is a lightweight remote-controlled weapon station, RCWS, using Smash Fire Control technology. Smash Hopper provides operators the remote capability to engage ground targets and small unmanned aircraft systems. The combination of lightweight and compact size of the Smash Hopper makes the system perfectly suited for complex urban areas, borders, and sensitive infrastructure and situations where a low signature is required. The Hopper can be mounted in several configurations, including a tripod, fixed mast, surface vessel, and vehicles. The Smash Fire Control tracking and locking capability enables the system to maintain its lock while maneuvering on land or sea. The Smash Hopper can also be integrated into an existing command and control system, providing operators with the ability to hand off or receive targets across existing communications networks. NUNIC is an advanced training system designed to teach, control, evaluate, and improve firearms aiming skills and to prepare soldiers for shooting with live ammunition on open shooting ranges at targets and combat figures, detecting, recognizing, and destroying real targets in various terrains, urbanized, outdoor, times of day, weather conditions, fog, snow, rain, wind, cooperation, and fire control of the subunit in combat using various types of weapons and formations. Soldiers' response to unusual situations, acting as a shooting director and director of fire training classes. Formerly the Military Division of Alaska Structures, Inc., Alaska Defense manufactures the world's most popular military shelter systems, military camps, and turnkey base camps for all branches of the U.S. military, NATO forces, allied forces, and other international militaries and governments. Whether providing military shelters for a small combat outpost or a division-sized task force, Alaska Defense's mil-spec shelters are engineered to support a comprehensive range of expeditionary and mid- to long-term military operations in any climate. More than 36,000 military shelter systems and over 20,000 Alaska ACU environmental control units have been deployed in more than 85 countries. No other shelter company has provided as many military shelters, nor comes close to matching the combat-proven performance and field-tested durability of Alaska Defense. Alaska Defense also manufactures heavy-duty tactical trailers, portable light towers, and modular container system. The system comprises of M30H trackway, an aluminium panel, graded as Military Load Classification MLC30 baseline on 3% California bearing ratio ground conditions indefinitely, and loads of up to MLC40 dependent on the ground conditions, versatile in its capability. The M30H trackway panel is the ideal solution for approach roads, gap crossing, temporary roadways, beach landings, and flooring. M30H trackway is operational in all environments such as snow, ice, desert, swamp, and jungle terrain. With an array of deployment and recovery options to choose from, the medium ground mobility system can be customized specifically to your requirement, creates roadways that can withstand traffic from vehicles with pneumatic tires, creates access and egress points from ships for beach landings, facilitates vehicle access across terrains with low California bearing ratio CBR, withstands loads in excess of 30 T depending on the ground conditions and length of use, provides a high traction surface, reusable for multiple operations in any environment. Designed to offer a permanent view of the ejection chamber, the casting or brass catcher recovers 100% of the cases and has a 30-shot capacity bag with a zip for emptying. This accessory provides optimum management of exercise time by eliminating the need to collect cases. Whatever the weather conditions or the texture of the terrain, compact and ergonomic, it is designed to cause no discomfort during handling or dynamic shooting, whether for righty or left-handed shooters. Compatible with the French Army HK-416. This brass catcher simply attaches on the side Picatinny rail via a clip system Developed in response to the French Army's need to allow soldiers to train in compliance with new environmental and ecological standards, this accessory allows you to stop leaving cases behind, whether after shooting sessions or training with blanks ammunition. Casings contain toxic and polluting components, making them dangerous for both humans and the environment. Spear is equipped with the latest generation precision effects warhead, designed to meet the demands of the future combat mission. The weapon will allow the warfighter to reduce the numbers of different weapons within inventory, while also extending the operator's ability to engage mobile, fleeting, and relocatable targets far beyond the horizon. Spear will provide high aircraft survivability with a low collateral damage solution, fitted with the latest generation multi-sensor seeker, designed to operate in all combat conditions. Spear will be able to engage a wide range of target types, both on land and at sea. EOD Protection. The 4030 ELIT suit and helmet system is designed in collaboration with the OD operators and is certified to an IJ 0117.01*, the U.S. National Institute of Justice Public Safety Bomb Suit Standard, by the Safety Equipment Institute. It introduces a new approach to EOD protection, delivering superior survivability and enhanced ergonomics at a reduced weight, along with a user-configurable and scalable platform. The 4030 Elite offers a highly modular and scalable system with the option to build and accessorize the suit around the user's individual requirements. Communication and cooling systems can be integrated within the base suit without full-scale upgrades, a significant cost efficiency benefit. There is also a wide range of size options with the ability to mix and match jacket, trousers, and frontal plate, providing additional flexibility. Different colored suit outers can also be added according to the operating environment. The 4030 Elite provides enhanced ergonomics and dexterity due to our patents in flexible armor construction. The user is able to crouch, climb, and crawl easily. The suit is lightweight and uses the latest materials and design features to provide a flexible fit and extended wear. The frontal armor breastplate comes in multiple sizes and can be detached by the operator unaided, a benefit in confined spaces. New design features have been added to enable faster donning and doffing, and there is a wide size range to fit 5th percentile female to 99th percentile male operators.